What's up, y'all? I just wanted to make this video really fast just to kind of show you guys what I've cooked up over the past month on how to trade as a beginner, or not really how to, but how I'm trading as a beginner using this strategy that I've cooked up over the past month. And it's really just all involves what you see on screen here, where whenever I get a long indicator, I take the trade. And whenever it does give me the long indicator, it comes along with this, which it shows me the entry point, the stop point, and the take profit point, as well as the rate of return, which is always going to be 2 for me. So I just input these numbers when I'm buying this out and then letting it work its magic. The market's actually closed right now because it is Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday is not open. It opens later today. But as the recording this, it's not open currently. I just wanted to show you guys kind of what it's done and like the potential of this trade. I also have alerts, as you can see on the right side here, that show whenever the alert fires. So whenever this long happens, whenever these candlesticks go to this point of the strategy, I get a alert on my phone as well as a ping on my computer, even like a little bell jingle saying that it's time to take this trade. When I go in, I put in everything that it tells me to. Don't have to think about anything. I just put it in, make money. So I'm just gonna go over a little bit of the trades that were able to happen on Friday. We have one right here. This would have guaranteed instantly won money. This one right here would have made money. Yeah, this one would have made money. This one for sure would have made money. This one would have made money. This one would have made money. So just think, each one of these are, for this market, it's about $20 to $25 per win for my strategy. So this is each 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks. Just think that every time you see a win, $20. $20. I would have lost money right here. Probably lost like 10 bucks right here. It's minus 10. $20 right here. $20 right here. $20 right here. $20 right here. Like just think of how much this just adds up if I'm trading for the entire day. This is pretty much the beginning of the day. This is 8 o'clock. So I would have probably woken up right here taking these trades. And those were all $20, $20, $20, $20, just plus, just net 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. And then sometimes you lose. It happens. But you guys can see that it works. I mean, the proof is in the pudding right here. These trades are literally free money. And anybody can do this. If you have a strategy that you have, all you got to do is make a script for it. Make a script that will automate and go in and ping you when the chart aligns with your strategy, which is what I've done. So every time the chart aligns with my strategy, I get a ping and I get an alert telling me exactly what I need to do. There's no thinking involved at all. You could be the dumbest, the dullest knife in the shed, and even still, you can get this done. So anybody that's a beginner, doesn't really know anything about trading, because I don't really know much about trading. Like all the jargon and all the ways on how to read the market, like I don't really know how to do any of that. So I took that part out and I made it to where just tell me when I need to go in and when I need to go out. Just tell me that and I'll be good. So I did it myself. And now I don't have any thinking involved. I don't need to know any knowledge. I don't need to learn about any of this stuff and these all these trading terms. There's so many of them. Uh, I don't even know any of that stuff. All I know is when that alert hits my computer, when that alert hits my phone, I'm cashing out. So you just need to know how to make the script. And I do. So I did. Um, One thing that I don't really like doing and I don't really do is this right here. Shorts, short trades. I don't really dabble in this just because they're kind of they're hard. Like this is a lot of losses right here. A lot of losses. And sometimes sometimes you get wins like right here or you lose. There's just way more losses involved, it seems, with shorts. But it really depends on the day. Like this is just insane. Like it's just like 3 losses in a row. Like I don't like that. It's shorts are kind of 50-50 off of what I was looking at for dude. This is Thursday. It's kind of like 50-50. Like these are losses. You get a win here and then you take 2 losses. Like there's a lot of losses involved. It's too risky. It's not safe. I don't feel like I'm safe taking short trades, just because a lot of times this happens, and you could possibly get stopped out as soon as you go in, and it's like I I I don't want to do it that much. I might do it just for like a video or something, showing people my strategy on short trades. Cause like there are wins, like 2 wins in a row here. I think this is a win too. I think so. Yeah, this is for sure a win. So it might be like 3-4 wins in a row. Another win. Like the wins happen. It's just I don't like how it feels on my heart with these short trades, but they're like so sideways on trades. Like here you would win, but you'd probably get stopped out here before you even win. So I don't like taking short trades, but I might take them for a video or something showing you guys bad days, because I'm for sure gonna make videos on showing what a bad day looks like. But yeah, it's just me and shorts, we don't get along. We don't get along too well. And that's fine. Usually this was just the market's been bad this week, so it was 3 short days in a row. But typically it's like half short days, half long days. Sometimes it's more long days and short days. It just depends on what the market's doing and how things are happening in the world. That's kind of what determines it. Um, so there's more that goes into this, like the trends and like the trend lines that I have and all that stuff for both charts. Having 2 charts on here, there's more stuff that goes into it, but that's kind of just the baseline thing. And it's just to show you guys that it's possible. At some point I want to be to where I'm trading for people that just want to put their money somewhere and just forget about it and then just passively make the money, and I make money for people. It's probably what I want to get into, but there's other alternatives that I've thought about. But that's just kind of where I'm at right now. And with this, it just makes it easy because I don't have to really know how to do anything. It's just all automated, and I just need to take the time to take the trades. Is really it. Might be tough for some people that don't have that much time, because you do have to just be waiting on the market to reach the point where your strategy hits so that you actually can go in. And if you don't have time, sometimes you can miss a trade that you don't go in on. So it's tough, but there's futures is traded throughout the whole day. So you could have some time to put aside to make it. And if you don't, that's where that would come in, where I would trade for people. But typically, this is what it would look like. And it's done well for me so far with this strategy. So I think that was all I wanted to talk about in this video. This is my second take on the video because my mic wasn't on and my webcam is broken. It froze. So I probably definitely said more in the first take. Whatever that's worth. So I don't know what else that I was talking about, but what I will say at the end of the day is this. Anybody that wants to get into trading, they can do it. It might cost you a lot, some money to learn how to do stuff and figure out the information that you need. Only reason why I have this is because I know people, but anybody can get this type of information. You just got to think a little bit, and you can figure stuff out like this out. But I know a lot of people don't have time to do a lot of things, so pay people to do it for you, and that's okay too. But trading doesn't have to be this difficult task where you're dreading doing it, or you gotta do it all the time, or this and that. It doesn't have to be all that. It could just be this simple, easy method to just make side income. You could do this on the side. You have your job in the day, trade at night. It really just depends on what you want to do with your trading journey. And mine is typically during the day. So with all that being said, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below telling me like what you wanted to see, if you like the video, any questions you have. I will try to answer them, but some questions I probably won't answer, like just because I'm kind of gatekeeping a little bit. just because I put in all the work for this. But if anyone has like similar strategies, you can make this too up yourself. It's not difficult. But yeah, if anybody has any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll answer them. I answer all my comments unless it's just like some nasty comment. Sometimes I answer nasty comments too. Like I don't really care. But or if it's like something that's just not like what do I say to this type of question, then I won't. But typically answer all my comments. So make sure to comment, leave a comment. If you have any questions, suggestions, anything at all, leave a comment. And then share this video. It helps reach my video in the algorithm so more people can see this, so that not everyone is just in the dark about trading and think that it's just like this niche thing to where only some people can get into it. No, anybody can get into this field if they want to. Even me as a beginner, barely knowing anything, I can still get into this and make money like this as you're looking at right now. So there's no excuses. Yeah, just share the video out, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.